Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hendra Kunyaman. I'm from BBIC. English Teaching Strategies in Managing Large Class Case Study. This study aimed at finding English teacher strategies in managing large class of and student reception towards the English teaching strategies they design this research with the study approach. This study involved 4 English teacher and 10 students at one state Madrasah Sanawiyah in Palembang, Indonesia. The data we collected involved observation, interview, and documents review. Thematic analysis was conducted across a dataset. The findings demonstrated the planning, the lesson, organizing, and controlling the student managing classroom communication and talking time, then given writing and timely use. The strategy was positively perceived by the student that they could have a better understanding, practice mutual respect, and enjoy the lesson. Therefore, it may be a good idea to review teaching strategies in this study to address the difficulty of teaching English in large class setting. Introduction. English plays very important roles in many fields of human life. It can be used in education and business to get information, job, and entertainment. Richard also added that English may be required in social survival and employment for new immigration and English-speaking countries, and essential for tool education and business for some learners. The language of travel and related activities of science for other and communication. It can be concluded that English is both permanent in many aspects of human life. Learning English is essential for today's generation to adapt to global communication, literature, media, and work in the present and future. Therefore, in Indonesia, English is included subject in the school curriculum. This support by Lee, which the English is taught using French language in Indonesia. It is French language as compulsory subject in school. The widen to the student understanding the people of the foreign language. The English foreign language officially taught as a compulsory subject to students from junior secondary school in Indonesia. In teaching English a foreign language evolved, teacher evaluation of the student learning take a variety of roles within this classroom. One of the important roles of the teacher in the teaching learning process in being classroom manager. As a classroom teacher should be skilled and technique indicated positive productive learning student from teacher cannot successful after the control of student by teacher in the classroom tends to be rigid of the goal classroom management. Effective English teacher can fully manage the classroom class that is one essential matter in the managing life classroom. A good that it can impact classroom management significantly. The side of the class may affect the teacher classroom management. It can make influences the success or failure of classroom management. Class size related to the number of students in the class. It refers to the actual number of students number by teacher. There is no exact size for small or large class. However, according to Brown, for effective language learning, a class should be not more than 12 students. A classroom with no many students often present some problem for the teacher. Shock of the lack influence teacher study as in favor of work for students to speak. The invited teacher feedback of student writing work. In addition, large class is usually hot, crowded, and noisy. It also reduces for effective classroom control. To overcome the problem, large class teachers need to have strategies to improve student learning achievement with optimal classroom management. Several studies investigate pedagogical strategies the teacher uses in teaching in large class to create positive student-teacher interaction. Solis and Turner reported self-disclosure, creating leadership, and making the class feel smaller. Other studies put promotive interaction in large class. Halat claimed the teacher should move around the class to reduce physical and social distance and help the student in learning. In short, strategies have to be used by teachers to resolve large classroom to problem. The problem of large class are also faced by English teacher and one stated Eastern Junior High School Madrasah Sanawiyah in Palembang. This school is also likely to have classes of large size based on our preliminary study result. The teacher had to raise 42 and 45 students in each class. It was really overcrowded class and difficult for the teacher to control the student number, very noisy. Discomfort and lack included attention were the other problem in the class. However, the English teacher had their strategies to manage the classroom and make the student feel comfortable in learning. We conducted this research to know more detail about English teaching strategies in managing a large class and student perception of the strategies used by the English teacher in managing a large class in specific. This research was aimed at 1. Exploiting English teaching strategies in managing large class, and 2. Exploring the student perception towards the strategies used by the English teacher. Literature review. Teaching English in foreign language. Teacher is free to convey knowledge to students. Teaching may be different as process to help students learn how to do something and understand what knowledge is given. Request to work study included both capable, complete, and relative sensitivity, communication skill, and combination of rigor and imagination fundamental to student effective practice. Thus, the student can get knowledge from the teaching process by the teacher. Teaching English is an important job, cognitive and psychomotor domain. When the student can understand that English grammar, speak, read, and write English correctly. Teaching English is a foreign language requires teacher to deliver the English language articulate and interesting to encourage students to improve their English skill through listening, speaking, reading, and writing activities. The role of teacher in managing the class. As the facilitator of STEM learning, a teacher takes a variety of roles within the classroom. One of the most important roles on the teacher is being classroom manager. Richard and Roger explained that the teacher is responsible for determining the content of what is taught, setting the international pattern of classroom activities, and keeping the student organized that focuses on the lesson. This indicated the important role of a teacher in determining student success in learning. A teacher with strong classroom management can create an environment for students to learn and behave this new in different way to without distraction. The ability of teacher to organize the classroom and manage the behavior of the student is critical to achieve positive educational outcomes. Effective learning can be begin with the creation of an exciting learning atmosphere. Therefore, classroom management is very important in the teaching learning process. The teacher has to give the student facilities to make the teaching learning process easy, active, and more comfortable. Classroom management strategies. Management refers to skill in the organization and presentation of lessons so that all pupils are actively engaged in learning. Classroom control and classroom discipline are just the commonly used concept to refer to classroom management during teaching. Management strategy is the way that is applied by the teacher in the classroom with various aspects and goals to get achievement in the process. According to Simon Atwood and Freshman, the management strategy is to ready to the student back to listen to no interrupt all student learning. By this definition, management strategy focus on the process learning, goal setting, policy development, and planning to achieve a can control the aim of learning itself. Classroom management is one teacher to do ensure with student enjoying the task in hand. Status in the classroom management refers to action teacher to take great an environment and respectfully caring, orderly, and productive and support and facilitates academic and social emotional learning. The ability of teacher to organize the classroom and manage behavior of the student is caring to achieve positive educational outcomes. Effective learning can be begun with creating an exciting learning atmosphere. Therefore, classroom management is clearly very important and needs serious attention. The teacher should apply appropriate strategies to manage the classroom so that content and student learning can occur. Large class. The dimension of large class may be different contexts according to UNESCO. In the in, in the some countries, 25, 13 students per teacher is considered large, while in other countries this is subnormal even quality small. Empire therefore language. The class considered large when has more dozens of students. The impact of occurred by more than 12 students can lead some difficulties in dealing individual and classroom. The teacher often perceives large class as troublesome, difficult, and problematic as compared to smaller class. The large student then available facilities can support. Likewise, then teaching in such large class is really burden to teacher. They are difficult to engage the student in learning, and learner can feel that it is hard to participate in classroom activity. It means that is large class both teacher and student can be faced challenges. Describe the challenge encountered by the teacher student in large classes. The challenges are difficult and teacher in keeping everyone's attention, lack of student motivation in learning English, the difficulty of student in hearing teacher explanation, lack of opportunity of teacher in helping weaker student attendance can be poor and irregular. leading to lack of quantity. Time consumption in the register can have too much marking to do and few research to make learning interesting. Teacher strategies in teaching knowledge in large class. In teaching large class, teachers should be prepared to deal with various students with different abilities and personalities, and provide with opportunity to achieve the learning objectives. Some teachers have conducted studies about English teacher strategies in managing large class. Scholars and to encourage teacher pedagogical strategies to create a positive student environment interaction to counter student and enforce challenge. They reported the several strategies like this in carrying leadership and making the class feel smaller. We have positive interaction for the student learning perform. In addition, Becker and Gustav mentioned the teacher strategies in managing class such 1. Planning. 2. Classroom management. 3. Organization. 4. Group and 4. Pair work. 5. Teacher talking gist or blazing teacher and student talking time. Difficult interaction. Reason for using student for language in the classroom. Use consistent language question technique. 6. Managing class with mixed ability they are dealing with average and strong students. 7. Correction and marking. 8. Marking and self-evaluating. The strategy are required for successful large class handling. Analogy. Research decision participant and locate of the study. In the study, we use qualitative research participant with the case study approach. Case study in the one approach used in is in the one place casual. Explain this case study is the study method explore work on one or more cases within the bounded system or multiply bounded system over time. For detailed in-depth data collection involving multiple sets of information, we use that approach because we magic data collection work of inform qualitative data to find out approach because of English teacher in managing large perception of student on strategy used by English teacher. Additionally, equalizer case study was in study because the finding of the study might not be generalized to other the state Islamic University School Madrasah Sanawiyah in Indonesia. In selecting the participant of the study, used powerful technique regulate in our judgment for the choosing the teacher and student to participate in the study. Possible this many basic research internal and difficult for study. This research using maximum variety by something to have the following many perspective and a very important common present our research participant content in the foreign English teacher and student of Madrasah Sanawiyah in Palembang. Indonesia qualitative research does not make number of participants. Therefore, the participants were selected because they were likely to generate useful data on the research. The English teacher was selected based on the select characteristics they had, the process of degree of English language education, and they have been teaching English for at least 5 years at the important attribute of teacher. The student will be selected solely based on the teacher experience with the class. We make the participant name and personal data to protect their identities, and we inform all participants regarding this issue. Thus, the name of the research participant will initial. Data collection and analysis in the field of reason with non-talking and document refer of employee to collect the research data. No talking during object machine is necessary to support the data from interview. The observation of sheet consists of several indicators about the teacher classroom management strategies to adoptive from Becker concept theory. Each indicator consists of several items for 24 items to identify English teacher strategies in managing large class. During observation, we individually in the classroom to get evidence that each participant must interview to obtain information about teacher strategies in management is continuing applicable towards those strategies. We applied one-on-one interview with open-ended questions. We record the interview by using a smartphone. We also review several documents such as teacher lesson plans and source books for additional information. The data gained from the observation and interview analysis by using thematic analysis to determine information about language teacher strategies in managing large class and studying perception of the strategies using by the English teacher in managing large class. First, we prepare organization and data from observation and interview. In this process, we read all the transcription, we code data of study research question. Then we use it coding process generated from the data. We make this code internal the terms correcting the mean that the research connect to them display chronology of sharing of when qualitative research generate to algorithm of credible model. Lastly, human personal interpretation for the dumb and quotes and final summary of this research containing the research question. Ethical consideration in the research we usually integrate to further accuracy by our research finding one data collection. In the common process by different indication. Subjectively, there are 6 techniques of training such as to combine the level individual methodological triangulation, time triangulation, and space triangulation. We applied often recommended training in this study in which the different methods of the same object to the brain of the combination data with the combination of finding. Thus, the data found we combine by the data from the individual each vice versa. Finally, those data we combine they collaborated each other to enhance our understanding of English teacher strategies in managing large classes and student perception later English teacher strategies. Finding the research answered by study 1. What were English teacher strategies managing statement rationale in Palembang? And 2. What were student perception in strategy used by English teacher in managing rasa with stage rationale in Palembang? Them and college described in the table above, but explained follow based on the data obtained from the founded one English teacher strategies in managing class we associated with the STEM teacher. But in this case, the teacher of preparation and proper teaching to the strategy of evaluation data gained from the field and the first teaching teacher. Said I prepare everything necessary before teaching. Meanwhile, E2, E3, and E4 also similar and the expanded regulation plans help to institution provide the outline of learning objective is meant to accommodate with the specific English classroom activities. They describe then the prepared of teaching so English language for example. It was started to complete my expression. I used my book for success. Search on the brain video and song to admin tackle which are not available in the textbook. T and E4 also supported in the providing in organization and controlling the classroom teacher classroom rules, management and study stating judgment environment from classroom and remember studying name all English in yet around class. For example, the children have no dictionary in learning unfamiliar words. One of the teacher named 81 said, "Yes, I always ask my students to bring a new dictionary and to learn new correct spelling, pronunciation, and definition of the familiar word." Moreover, it exactly anything for express the same information besides 84 state, I will give punishment to the student will they spelling error with they not to bring dictionary, do not their homework, or if they do not come class on the time. The punishment will educate them as well as many difficult to students such as they have to memorize some words or write learning report. Meanwhile, it one also has had a similar option. We found that some English teachers asked for the student who did not dictionary and the student spontaneously left dictionary up to teacher of the dictionary. For instance, the teacher assigned among the student who did not bring the dictionary to come forward and memorize some English words. Once they had finished the assignment well, the teacher gave them applause and appreciation for their effort in learning. Also, they made students discipline in the classroom. They asked for students be to need tidy school uniform, come to class on time, not eat, chat, and disturb other students during the lesson. In preparation implementation and movement during the class with another strategy applied by the teacher in managing large class. They assume the students who were the back certain question make not have attention. For example, one of the ET4 reflected in large class. I always give attention of my student by moving around the classroom. Sometimes the student are talking for each other, but listen so it is important for me to move around to control my student. Subsequently, we asked them for the purpose of moving around the classroom. A teacher, 84, said, "I don't know what of my student could have listened to my instruction clearly." Besides, 81 also argued that moving around the classroom allows me to see and help my student in learning instead of just explaining the lesson from my desk. We found that we students made noise in the teacher walk towards and then regretted for the stating arrangement to maintain their learning enjoyment. We also found that English teacher attempt to remember their student name is checking student attendance by calling their names. For instance, one of the English teacher A2 said, "Teaching in large class can be easier when I remember the names of students I could call and ask the student easily and quickly without wasting time to look at attendance list." Meanwhile, the teacher 84 and 84 and expanded as a calling to student by their name could indicate a respect for the student feel individual in large class. Managing classroom communication will also during this strategy used by English teacher in managing large class. They use both English and Indonesian language to communicate with their student and avoid misunderstanding. For example, one of the students named 83 stated, "In teaching English, I cannot use full English because the student cannot understand it well. I use English when I want sentence or example and familiar to the student, but sometimes I use English further than I translate them into Indonesian." He observed and then different mathematically in English the student seemed difficult to understand, and they just said silent. But when the teacher used English, most the student showed reaction and give response such as nodding their head, giving comment or asking question. Managing talking time was also a mean of communication management by the teacher during the lesson. Talking and questioning were very as key to helping the student learn and practice their English on of the teacher. They told, I explained the material in the front of the class to make students understood out the lesson easily. In addition to also agree that I have the target of students for make them speak in the classroom, so the talking time between the teacher student of the must balance. So I encourage the student to speak about the lesson which has already been explained for the simple thing around the classroom. If I spend the whole lesson talking, my student will have less opportunity to learn and practice communication. English teacher will use question technical as to let student work talk. For example, 84 state, when I have explained the subject matter, I ask the student if they have some question. If there are no question from the student, I will ask them some question related to my explanation. Marking and correction for the student work out collaboration regularly dialogues and to revise their assessment. For the English teacher marked and corrected all the student work. English teacher named to answer. Although my class consists of many students, I always check my student work, mark their mistake, give them the right answer on their work, and return the work timely, ask them to correct their. This indicated the teacher realized when writing feedback on the student assignment was important to able the student to evaluate to improve their work. Student participation of the teacher strategies in managing large classes. Referring to the result of data analysis, we found that majority of the students positively perceived the strategies used by the teacher in managing large class. Them and the quotes gained from the dynamic analysis we described in table 2. In the learning process, the teacher used more strategy to make students understand and be integrate the lesson. For example, they use two languages in teaching English and lesson. They use English at the beginning of lesson to motivate the student to practice the English and active the background knowledge related to material to study. Then, for the following, the teacher mostly lacked organization. Most of the students claimed they could understand the material when their name teacher expand into language in Indonesian. For example, the student named CTQ claimed, "I do not understand my teacher explained my connecting for speak English too much meanwhile understanding initial O E A A R R I C A M Z and D A." Shared similar opinion in editing. One student OF also said, "I just keeping quiet of English teacher. Mostly talking English, I can respond to her explanation when the second in the Indonesian. Moreover, other students with initial A H C M and R E gave a similar answer. Most of the students said the similar of the understood lesson of the teacher explained for the lesson simply and concisely. For example, one student of name AA said them my English teacher A to give a brief explanation and quick example for the lesson. I essentially given another student I given a similar answer. Meanwhile, the student named CTQ said that when my English teacher even explained the lesson in loud voice, I can focus on her explanation. Other student okay explain information on the other hand, the student with initials ICA agreed that my English teacher sometimes speaks in false voice. I find it difficult to understand her expression, especially when her class is noisy. The other students also support this opinion. The relationship between student and the teacher in the classroom was stable. With mutual respect, students listened to the teacher and obeyed the classroom was based on the rules of interview. We found the student one only minimal perfect from the rule. Class student A claimed we have to obey the rules by our teacher. For example, we may too late but bring our dictionary and polite to other. Another student A described when I come late the class I may disrupt to other from my friend but come early. Other the student named CM and DA and RE give a similar answer. We found that the students felt comfortable learning English in the classroom. The data from the interview success student AA, my English teacher A2, always moves around the classroom and approach individual students, so I can really ask if I know understand the lesson. The student with English are similar thing. The student enjoyed learning English in several types of setting, enlargement, such as circle, symmetrical, horizons, and groups. For 5 out of 5. The student named CTQ agreed that I aim to learn English with skill with the circle of symmetrical seating arrangement as we can see other talk and work easily during learning activities. Other students ICA, MZ, and OE always shared similar opinion. Discussion in managing large class. The teacher conducted similar classroom management strategies. All of the teacher claimed to the usual lesson plan strategy to manage in the class. The teacher used the lesson plan is quite determined what and how to listen to be taught, how learning evaluate. Lesson plan also enable teacher to manage the detailed outline of teacher learning activities during class management. Amiga know that plans in important as aspect must do the teacher. Also, good classroom management start with planning the course book and syllabus. The research most of the teacher prepare the course and used sources of English learning, such as author printed material, videos, and song to add material in the textbook. Another strategy by the English teacher managing class organizing by controlling the classroom. The action related to organize classroom management strategy we remember the student name moving around, setting classroom rules, and all the uploading the arrangement around to baking and workshop. The best way to the student name is solid and toner. Emphasizes the student on classroom, enable the teacher to get closer to the student, allowing them to know their problem in the learning English. The experiment the same material all of the students, but sometimes they give more attention to topic on student headed, regulate and move student to reduce physical and social distance among the beside the seating arrangement, respective for the classroom control, management, integration, socialization, and ease of teaching. The seating arrangement should be much activities. Learning and workshop as also in the classroom the role necessary or established good discipline. Managing classroom communication and talking about why don't teacher in managing classroom communication access for giving and receiving message. Through verbal non-verbal language, effective communication make learning easier and strengthen the connection, the interaction among people of the classroom. Therefore, the teacher uses both English and English language to communicate with the student to provide clear interaction and avoid misunderstanding. Subsequently, managing the talking bit time also strengthened by using teacher to make the talking time balanced. The teacher explaining the matter simply and they ask several questions for the student respond. They also encouraged the student to ask questions about the lesson as well understand the material. This was supported by Baker and workshop. The reporter the student need opportunities for strong speaking practice as the way to learn communicate is to speak, making in the curriculum student work was another strategy by appreciating teacher to the student verify assignment from the student teacher market when corrected all the student work. Student can will learn from the mistake will make fewer mistake of the future and think about they have written. Therefore, the teaching written feedback on the student segment is important to enable the student to their work. Effective written feedback provided with an expanded example and suggestion of we are doing well and what requires improvement. These are need timely and then student to make the revision. The majority of the students positively perceived the strategy used by their English teacher. As managing large class, they found that strategy will helpful in learning English. They could be understanding, practice in mutual respect, and enjoy the lesson. Eligible equal of the student. They obey the teacher and also classroom rules. Listening to the respecting the teacher is a model for students to realize knowledge and attitude. This indicated the teacher strategies could be a good learning atmosphere for the student. Conclusion: English teacher in managing lower class uses several strategies. The strategies were planning the lesson, organizing and controlling the student, managing classroom communication and talking time, giving written timely feedback on student. Work the majority of the students positively perceived toward the strategy used by the English teacher managing large class. They found strategies were helpful for the English. The English process should be considered the determinant of student attitude towards learning and reflection. Teacher teaching practice in the last class, although There is no best way to teach large class. It might be good to review teacher strategies in this study to address the difficulty of teaching English in large class settings. I think enough from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.